Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Before I start, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, as I'm going to update you about what to expect on our part 7 of Inhliziyo Ayiphakelwa. On scene 1, Madia was very angry to see Nyakalo coming back after he just left here like that. Nyakalo tries to explain his side to Madia why he just disappeared. Then Nyakalo tries to kiss Madia, even though Madia she didn't want to kiss Nyakalo back because she was still very angry at him. On scene 2, Gaddafi was very furious to his wife to hear that his nephew is dating an old guy and try to shift all the blames to the wife, and Mbali was very scared and shaking to see his uncle just come in like that. Scene 3, Ghost and Chicken. Ghost and Chicken, they were very shocked and surprised to see Mohawi's girlfriend, the new girlfriend, so pretty. Like they were very shocked that Mohawi moved on so fast. They couldn't close the mouth. On the other side, Mohawi trying to praise his ex-girlfriend in front of the new girlfriend. Just imagine. And the girlfriend, Lusanda, she started to slap Mohawi because she was very angry at Mohawi. Mohawi tries to soft her back, but then Lusanda, because she liked the guy, she started to smile also and kiss Mohawi back. Woo! On scene 4, Malumu Buntu, shame, poor Buntu. Buntu tries to open up and tells Mbali how he feels about her. Mbali started to feel like she was hurt because she knows that everything that Buntu is saying, it's true, but she's not there. Ouch. She was very hurt. She feels sorry for Malumu Buntu. When she tried to talk and explain, Buntu, she couldn't give Mbali the chance to talk, just kiss Mbali, and Mbali kissed Malumu Buntu back. Guys, there is more. Keep watching our channel. There is more drama. And that will be all for today. Thank you.